There's nothing in the world my husband loves more than tiramisu. He's been on the hunt for the best tiramisu in the world, and until this point, his favorite has come from my kitchen. So I'm gonna teach you how I make my tiramisu, but if you have a better one, we wanna know about it. It only takes 10 ingredients to make this masterpiece. Ladyfingers, egg yolks, hot coffee, milk, powdered sugar, mascarpone cheese, vanilla, heavy cream, cocoa powder, and sugar. Put it over medium heat, and I'm stirring it constantly until it boils, and once it starts boiling, I let it boil for 1 minute, and then I take it off. The egg mixture's been in the fridge for 30 minutes, cooling off. We're back at it. And that's it. Now we pop it in the fridge and enjoy it tomorrow.